Okay, so I've just cleaned this mirror to show you guys the state of it. If you come in real close here, you can hear all these dots and pock marks are stuck right into the glass, and it's hard to see out of. So we've got new mirrors of the new style. Let's put them on.
Step 1, remove the mirrors. Step 2, install new mirrors.
Wrong size. Just kidding.
Be more careful with this one. Very nice. So luxurious.
Okay, next we're going to pull the seats because the back wall of our truck has no sound deadening of any kind. So we're going to tackle that as well as tint this back window so that we can put all sorts of sponsor decals up there. Let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I have some of this leftover material that's a butyl, almost like a tar, and it's adhesive backed. You fill the backing and stick it down to whatever you want to deaden the sound of. And then I also, that's just leftover because we did the inside of our firewall in the engine compartment with that. And then this is it's almost like lead sheet. It's probably not lead, but it's a very thick, or half a millimeter thick lead-like product with foam on either side that'll sound deaden this back wall. So that we're going to put up here. I'm not sure how to stick it quite yet, but first things first is clean these surfaces. Okay, so grab those two corners. All smush in. Wow.
This is fancy.
So I'm just going to use a little bit of Super 77, just long enough to, or just to hold it there long enough till we can get it stuck up there. Next. Like that.